Damn, I hate to go psycho. Lil' mama bad like Michael. Can't really trust nobody with all this jewelry on you. My roof look like a no-show. Got diamonds by the bolo. Come with the Tony Homo for clowns and all the balls. Or I hate to go psycho. Lil' mama bad like Michael. Can't really trust nobody with all this jewelry on you. My roof look like a no-show. Got diamonds by the bolo.
My name is Sergio CR Tukunang. I am a student from Manado State Polytechnic. This opportunity, I will explain the 5 components of the milling machine. Milling machine is tool machine which is in the process of cutting work by cutting workpiece using many cutting edge cutting tools. Component of the milling machine. First component, spindle. The spindle is the main shaft of the engine which function to rotate the arbor along with the milling knife. Second component is arbor. Arbor is the location of the milling knife. Arbor is installed on the engine spindle, so that when the spindle rotates, the arbor will also rotate. Third component is table. The milling machine table is the place where the workpiece will be spread. The placement of the workpiece on the table is done by using clamping equipment or tensioning workpiece such as with clamps dividing head and the loose head. Fourth component is saddle. The saddle or table rest. At the bottom of the saddle, there is a bird shape groove that is paired appropriately with the bird's tail groove at the top of the knife. The saddle can be moved in a smooth transverse direction. 5 component is bed. The bottom of the machine is the bottom part of the engine and the milling machine are located, such as columns, nests, and the saddles. The tables in the addition. The pedestal has a cavity or room that is a place hold coolant.